Let's look at how to fish a Spanish bullet jig from a drift boat. Prep is really important along with the conditions. So the water was moving slow, it was a reasonably warm day, and the water was moving, which is important. It wasn't moving too fast, but it was moving. Now the equipment that I'm using in the example is I have a 9-foot TFO rod. I'm using weight forward line. I'm using fluorocarbon with a long leader. Notice I cast, I leave slack in the line. I twitch the strike indicator to make it move a little bit, and then notice you'll see the strike indicator go down once, pop back up, it goes down again, and then I lift the rod. I don't yank it, I lift it to set the hook. Okay, key points. One, this is only one approach. You can catch fish, trout a lot of different ways. This is an approach though I use frequently, and it works well for me on the White River system. I cast at 1 o'clock because I'm drifting downstream, and I'm also casting about 20 to 30 feet away from the boat. Notice I paused just before I lifted my rod tip. That gave the fish time to grab the hook and start pulling on it, and I didn't yank it as well. I was also fishing about a foot off the bottom, and I was fishing in the deep part of the river, which in that case was only about 6 feet. And finally, I could have used many different kinds of nymphs and caught fish as well. So there you go. There are the basics of nymph fishing on the White.